Hi guys, welcome back to the space. It's Rimmel here, and it's a quick makeup tutorial for the girls, for the women. This one is a whole lot of makeup products, and I'll just be using foundation, concealer, and my powder. Like these products, this very like easy to find kind of thing, and this is my pencil for the brows. So these are the products I will be using on my face for a quick. On a moisturized face, the first thing you'll be using will be your primer, and the primer will be used on your T-zones, which is your forehead, your chin, your under nose, and your face, like the side of your face, but you will not be using it under your eye. If you notice where I was applying it, you apply it on your T-zones, those areas that you know that they are oily. You make sure you apply it well and you allow it dry before you pick up your foundation. So you'll be applying your foundation next on your face, and you apply it to the areas and you blend well. You dab into your skin, you don't drag when blending. The next thing you'll be taking after your foundation is your concealer. Your concealer, that is to hide your blemishes, and that's why make sure you blend your concealer very well. Then after blending, you make sure you set it with your powder. Set your under eye because it's usually creases. After setting it, you powder your whole face. You guys can see it. You pick up your pencil and you stroke it lightly. Stroke lightly. You brush your brows up, then you comb, then you line it. Line your brows. Like very light. And papa too. Go like you're drawing a C. You bring it down to join the one that was drawn first. Then, but if you know maybe you're not feeling so confident with the brows, you highlight your underbrows. So I'm just brushing it out. Actually, the brows is not bad. I can use it like this. But for those, you take your concealer and you come here and on the hack, you highlight that area. So you highlight your brows this way, then you come to the other side also and line your lips. So for your eye, since we are not doing anything much, you can always use your powder just to cover it up. You understand? Like, so that's your powder serving as your eyeshadow. That's a powder palette serving as your eyeshadow. So you just blend it off. Blend. Just use your concealer on your lips. Your concealer can serve as your lipstick, and you blend it very well. See that your face is already